Hello guys, my name is Luke Mead, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to invite people to like your Facebook page. So here I am on the home of my Facebook page, and the prompt we're looking for should be down here somewhere, and it says invite friends to like your Facebook page. So what we're going to do is hit see all friends, and you can see Facebook actually shows us a list of all your friends. In my case I've got 1,049, and you can select people to invite to like your Facebook page. Now, there's also a few other things we can do. Say for example, you want to narrow your friends down by groups. You can have a look at what groups you're in and sort your friends by this. So say if I want to have a look at this Flinders Ranges 4-wheel drive trip, I can then see the 8 people inside of here. They're inside that group, and I can invite them as I see fit. So it's a really handy way to narrow down your audience and find the people that you want to invite. Or say for example, we want to have a look at the ski jobs group. You can see I've got no friends in this, so no one pops up. So it's a really good way to narrow down the friends by the interest that relates to your page. So in my case, because my page here is a business page, I might want to find a group about business, and that might be small business marketing and advertising in South Australia. And there you go. I can see I've got one friend that I can invite to like the page. So it's a really handy way to quickly narrow down your audience from a super large audience, in my case, which was 1,000 people, and delivering that to one person that is actually going to really respond well to the invitation and most likely accept the follow request and like the page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't hesitate to leave a like or subscribe or comment. Check out the other videos I've done. I've got a heap of Facebook tips and tricks up on my channel at the moment. I really appreciate it, guys. Keep well. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.